I also have a giveaway. In this video, I'll be doing a review slash unboxing of the new Yushin Little Magic 3x3M. This is factory magnetized. Anyways, so let's get into it. So let's start off with packaging. They both come in the same box. Even the design on the box is kind of similar. They both show the 3x3, except that the new version shows like the interiors, and they're about the same size. So let's open it. So this is the old one. This is not magnetized at all. So as you can see, the two boxes are empty. They both come with a instruction manual on how to solve this. So, and it looks exactly the same. It even has the old Yushin logo. Sorry, the lighting kind of sucks. We'll put aside the boxes. So right off the bat, the new Yushin Little Magic comes wrapped in plastic, whereas the old one doesn't. So let's open this. So I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, but oh, actually you can. The new version is glossy, and this one's like a frosted plastic. It's kind of interesting that Yushin's doing this because, like, if you know, like the recent GAN cubes and the new Moyu WRM 2020 both come as matte finished. So let's do a color comparison. So the color orange looks slightly darker on the newer one. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. Nope. Basically, I think all the colors on the old version is a bit dull, whereas the new one's a bit more vibrant. Well, the red's exactly the same. But yeah, so let's just do first turns. So the magnet strength on this cube doesn't feel very like significant to me. Actually, just turning it feels fast, but I've heard from other people that the cube actually feels so slow when you're like solving it, whereas the old one is like very fast. It also comes very loose out of the box, whereas this one's a bit more tight tension. So I'll be giving away a WRM 2020 in as a saying thank you for 100 subs, because we reached 100 subs on YouTube. So this cube can be yours if you just follow the instructions in the descriptions. And the instructions are: like this video, comment down below your favorite 3x3 budget cube, budget being under $20 US dollars, so that it's a bit more fair. And yeah, and subscribe obviously. Oh, and you have to click the link down below, which is the Discord, and join my Discord server. So in the Discord server, you will have like some verification process, and in order to gain access to like a subscribers lounge, which I've set up, there's you have to just subscribe and pick up the role. And if you want to gain access to this specific channel, which allows you to gain double entries for any giveaway that I have. So for example, if for this giveaway and you want like your entry to count twice, you have to show me a screenshot of your you being subscribed, and I'll give you the row subscribers, and then you will be able to react to the message on my Discord to gain more entries. A lot of the entry requirements and everything will be posted on Discord. I think like the new version is not as good as the old one, honestly. You can just self-magnetize this. It's like so much faster here. But anyways. But if you're thinking of a budget-friendly option, I really wouldn't recommend getting this cube. I would recommend the RS3M 2020 because that's a much better cube for its price. So yeah.